So I'm making my way east down 30 now, and I'm pretty excited. I thought this place was closed on Tuesdays for some reason, but it is not. So I am indeed making the stop. I'm even gonna start downstairs in the lower level building. I usually start up. Let's go in and see what we can find. It's been a while since I've been here. I think it's been since like May. Christmas everything. Okay, first of all, I've never seen these. They look very Holt Howardy. $20 and 20%. Not bad. Oh my gosh, look at this Christmas card with the old photo in it. That's too cute. Little bells, 55, that's a pass. These are more common. But 18 fair. These are also more common too, $12 as is. All right, I cannot ignore the Joseph Originals carolers choir boys anymore. They come to like $20 each. That's not bad at all. I could still make a couple bucks on them, but I'm gonna pass. Oh my gosh, so cute. Love all the Christmas. It's like the best kind of Christmas too. Look at these little ornaments. Oh my gosh. Those are fantastic. Oh, and these are quite phenomenal too. I've never seen these. More common set. I just had it. This In Our Coat girl. $40. That's not bad at all. Let's see these. Oh my gosh, look at these new old stock signs. Little Santa Claus pillow. It's kind of scary looking. $80. Oh my gosh, price is kind of scary too. Please don't knock anything over. Just stay there. Glittery reindeer. A hobbyist. Oh my gosh, look at this stocking. I'm kind of stockinged out at the moment. It's gonna take a lot for me to pick up another one. Stop it. $30 and 20%. I might actually have to pick that up. It's a little close, but it's a really hard one to find. Let me see what else. Oh my gosh, stop, look. Oh, the little Napco bone china reindeer. It's actually not a bad price. $45 for all and then 20%. I could piece them out, but I don't really want to do that. They look so good together. I sold a set at my live sale with Yvonne not long ago. They weren't as in pristine condition. This is cute too. I had a bunch of those angels last year. Oh my gosh. New old stock. And these glittery. How much are you? Come on. 22. Underwhelming. More new old stock. Oh my gosh. So he comes to 24. You know, there's something kind of off about him though. It looks like he's been repainted. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say he's been repainted. I'm a little skeptic. More little bone chinas. That's a really good price for those too. Those sell really quick. Oh my gosh, and the Holt Howard candle holder, $160. This is quite spectacular. Don't worry, it's full-blown retail at $125. It's pricey. I've had ones from that set, not the planter version, but the wall pockets before. They usually sell for good money. Oh my gosh, Christmas everything. Although it does look like over here is more newer stuff. I see the little Japan Santa mugs, the mini mugs. Oh my gosh, look, it's a Christ. $18 fuzzy Santa. Is there a discount in this booth too? I don't think so. And then the Lefton Santa back there. There's a lot of stuff I like in here actually. I'm trying not to get too carried away. $30 for those mugs, a little steep. Lefton Angels, $15. Look at this Santa Scotch tape. That is incredible. And the elf. Is this locked? Because, see, we need to turn the price tag around on this guy. Well, it is indeed locked, it looks like. I can't really tell. $5. He's an older one, too. I think I gotta pick him up, even though he's got a little bit of paint loss. So cute. Just kidding, it's actually not locked. All right, one of these spaghetti Christmas angels, $35 for the figurine. I love these little, oh my gosh, $30 for the pair. I can't do that. That's definitely retail. We have to know how much this guy is. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared to move everything. $35. That's about what I get for those after fees, unfortunately. I have no idea how I spotted this, but I somehow managed to see this little vintage poodle. Oh, I loved his holly berry collar, but $30. It's a little steep. More ornaments. Love the elf. How much are you? $15. A lot more fun Christmas bulbs. So much Christmas. I love it. How cute is this pillow? $34. Can't do that. There's some fun stuff over here. Kind of like that hobbyist piece. And of course the giant wood Santa. What's going on in here? I don't remember this booth being like that. Look, there's another one of those Marilyn Monroe head vases. I'm surprised mine hasn't sold yet. $20. And this looks like reproduction. $30. It's not one of 60s probably, actually. It's not bad, but head vases have been super slow for me recently. Lots of vintage clothing and some not vintage clothing. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. What is this? Well, that's wild. Kind of love that. Oh, wait a minute. What's going on here? Huh. Hand painted. That is very cool. $15. You know what? I kind of want to get this. It's really unique. I love that kind of like risque. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. This is very much so up my alley. And I already made out pretty well on this snowman, so we'll make up some of the difference. All right, I'll put those up front. I cannot help but notice this fruit bag. How fun. How much are you? $35. And super fair for retail. For resale, I can't, it doesn't leave as much room as I'd like. Happy Carrots, $15. I had that set and it took forever to sell, and I mean forever. Funny. And I like the little hand-painted flamingo on these. $5. Cute, but not quite. Oh, I remember this booth. This booth has such fun stuff. Love that mug. More Christmas. Let's see here. Cute, but had it before. Fabulous velvet shade. I don't need any more of these. Let me stop. Speaking of don't need any more of, dresses is on that list, but I had to check that out. That is so cute. And here's one of those Santa Claus TV trays I like so much. I had a couple of those last year. They didn't sell for that much. I threw them in my booth. This was kind of neat. Oh, God, it weighs a ton. Oh my gosh, look at those vases. Really neat. This looks newer. Lefton, 1986 Lefton. $12, can't do that. Oh, look at this Smokey the Bear mascot head. I'm gonna go through the stockings just in case. All right, scot-free. Okay, lots of Christmas ornaments. This needs attention for sure. So cute, little soldier. Cute, but nothing screaming at me so far. Although this guy, he's missing his drumsticks. He's only $6 though. That's so cheap. Yeah, I might pick him up. I don't know. I'm a little on the fence because he's missing his drumsticks. What about these guys? Those are kind of weird. They're faceless. And that's adorable. How much is this one? $4. Oh, so cute. Something about these is, I don't know why I'm very attracted to these. What about this little Santa? Oh my gosh, she's really in there. $12. That's about retail. She's cute too. The little beaded ones. Clown. This guy's funny. His nose is kind of busted. $9. That's about what I'd get for that after fees, especially with that busted nose. These are interesting. These blow mold angel ornaments. Only $5 too. Also like this little angel ornament. She's pretty sweet. Her wings have a little bit of damage though. What is that? Bizarre elf, $10. He's got a repaired neck. He is definitely bizarre. I kind of love him, but I have a feeling he's something newer that I'm just not familiar with. I'm really tempted though, because he's really unique. I've been doing really well so far, so I don't want to get sloppy now. Here's more of those angels. Those are really different. I thought they were on rocket ships at first. They're just playing the organ. Yeah, I love this elf. I kind of want him. I don't think I can see past that repair on the neck. It looks like a pretty sloppy job. I really like this milk glass canister set too. I feel like that might be, very cute. Whoa, snowmen. Love these. They're not unreasonable either. That one's $48. Oh boy, look at what we have here. All right. Love this watering can, and it looks in really good condition. It's fun, but I don't want to spend $15 on that right now. Oh, it's one of these wee boys. Those are pretty funny. And the Fire King mugs. I'm kind of sick of seeing these, honestly. Alligator comb, very cool. And funny looking coconut. What about these ornaments? Random little Hold Howardy guy. Little left-in blue poodle. It's missing its family. Humpty Dumpty. He's pretty cute. $15. Oh, look at this guy. How funny is he? Very unique. And I've had this a bunch, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass. Lots of close. Nothing that is really screaming at me. These trivets are all very neat. What's going on over here? Tweety bird. Oh, earring holders. I love the earring holders. I'm pretty picky about which ones I pick up now since I've had them so many times. Rainbow. Not seeing anything really. A lot of things that are close, but nothing that's screaming, hey, I need. Ooh, look at this. Looks like it's got a little age to it. That's pretty neat. It's only $8. What? That's cool, but I'm a little unsure about it. More of these little ornaments. Gift tags. Oh my gosh, look at this little Santa box. How cute is that? It's made in China, unfortunately. Karak. And then the deer. Okay, this is what I was going for. I saw these deer. $15 each, it looks like, though. And that's about retail. Look at these angels. This is very cool, this candle holder. All right, so it was a strikeout over there, but that's okay. We're gonna keep going. Can't help but notice this mushroom set. 6-piece mushroom set, $30. That's super cheap. Looks like Lefton too. It's got the cup and saucers. It's like, does it have all the cup and saucers? No, it's missing one. I'm gonna let that one go. And then the glass, very pretty. Love the mid-century vibes. I know upstairs there's a ton of mid-century. Oh my gosh, there's that incredible concrete statue I love. And visitor parking sign, very cool. Blow molds and Pyrex and Mary Mushroom. All the things we like. $20, that's not bad. I love this mushrooms. Is it a paper towel rack? It is. How different is that? Okay, but also over here, this is amazing. And then I see the Lefton Valentine's Day vase. $12 is about what I'd get for that after fees. I love these little spaghetti poodles. The big one is definitely the most interesting to me. I've had this one a few times. Unfortunately, this one is damaged, so I'm gonna leave it. And though I'm not the biggest glass person, I really like this cranberry vase. How much is that? $45. I can't do anything with that. Let's put that back. Oh, look at these funny blow molds. All right, let's see what's going on in here. Lots of glass paperweights, like the ones with the bugs in it. This is a very cool vase. Ooh, yeah, it's a hobbyist piece. I like that though. How much is that? $18. I can't do anything with that for resale. And then love the enamel flowers. These mugs are kind of fun. 1970s. It's Japan. Interesting. What's going on with the mugs down here? See the mom and pop one. Random funny monkey. Mushrooms, I've had those before. They took a while to sell. Don't forget to look up, it says. I see some lustroware. We like lustroware, although it's kind of slowed down recently. $15 is definitely resale on that. Retail, resale. Look at me, I'm getting goofy. How cute is this little hanging Santa thing? $12. Huh. Looks like it's got a little age to it, but it also unfortunately has a little bit of damage. This Italian cat is kind of unique. It's a bank. Here's another one of those fabulous canister sets like I saw earlier this morning. Oh my gosh, look at this little vinyl oilcloth dog. That is too cute. He's only $7. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick him up. I love vinyl and oilcloth. He's pretty unique. Oh, look at these snowmen. How cute. Oh my gosh, my mom would have loved these. $6 each. I can see the parts where you've got glue. Or are these starfish? They are. How interesting. Can't say I've seen those before. And of course I noticed this heart 25. Oh wow, wood New Jersey, that's fun. Love that jadeite color. 75, that's not that fun. Before I check out and go upstairs here, I do have to give these a once over. Looks like kind of just run-of-the-mill poinsettias. Well, I already see these have a pretty hefty price tag, as they should, but gosh, I cannot help but notice these fantastic dwarves. All right, I spent $20 in there, which brings my total for the day up to $188. Not bad. And I'm gonna head up to the upstairs building now and get out of this rain.